Your money can literally start making more money than your salary. And here's when it happens. Have you ever looked at your investment account and thought, why isn't this growing faster? Then one day, you check again, and suddenly your money is making more than some people earn at their jobs. It's not luck, it's math. Specifically, it's the power of compound interest, and there are 3 key milestones where your wealth suddenly shifts into overdrive. I'm Thomas, and I spend way too much time thinking about how money grows and why most people never escape the paycheck-to-paycheck grind. If you want your savings to finally start working harder than you do, stick around. This is the moment your financial perspective changes forever. When people think about building wealth, they imagine Wall Street pros or trust fund heirs. But the truth, most self-made millionaires aren't the highest earners. They understand something deceptively simple. Money grows like a snowball rolling down a mountain. Slow at first, but unstoppable once it picks up speed. And along that mountain, there are 3 tipping points that change everything. Tipping point 1, $100,000. This is the point where your first real momentum kicks in. Most people assume $100,000 is just 10% of the journey to $1 million. Wrong. At first, most of your growth comes from your own contributions, while compound interest quietly warms up in the background. For example, investing just $500 per month at a 7% return takes roughly 7 years and 9 months to reach $100,000. About $46,000 comes from what you added, and $54,000 is pure returns. Not life-changing yet, but this is the foundation. Here's the exciting part. Once you cross $100,000, growth starts accelerating. The next $100,000 comes much faster, only about 5 years, because compound interest is no longer waiting on the sidelines. Your money is now actively working for you. Tipping point 2, $650,000. This is where things start feeling real. The median household income in the U.S. is about $78,000. With $650,000 invested at 8%, you're generating around $52,000 annually, a huge portion of a normal salary, without touching your principal. Suddenly, losing a job isn't catastrophic. You can take risks, invest in yourself, start a side business, or travel the world while your money continues growing. Your relationship with risk changes. You have freedom, options, and choices most people never experience. Tipping point 3, $1 million. Hitting $1 million isn't just a number, it's a psychological transformation. Years of saving and discipline finally pay off, and your first $1 million opens doors previously impossible. You can invest in startups, buy properties, or pursue passions without financial fear. And compound interest, it becomes ridiculous. Growth accelerates exponentially. Doubling, tripling, quadrupling becomes far easier with each milestone. This isn't about luck, trading secrets, or crypto hype. It's about basic mathematics applied consistently. Market crashes, they help long-term investors buy more shares at lower prices. Decades of discipline plus patience plus smart investing equals life-changing wealth. So remember the 3 milestones. 1, $100,000. Your snowball starts rolling. 2, $650,000. Your money starts earning real passive income. 3, $1 million. Your life and opportunities transform. Start investing today. Years from now, you'll either be thanking yourself or wondering why you waited.